Welcome to the Alliance Retailers Site Training, your one-stop shop for everything you may need from ARG. In this training, we'll walk through how to log in, explore the new site, and dive into the Documents portal, where all your reports and resources are located. To begin, open your web browser and go to allianceretailgroup.com. At the top right corner of the homepage, click on Retailer Login. A login box will appear. Enter your username and password. If you already have a login with ARG for the mobile app or for Price Pro, you'll use the same login credentials here. If you are logging in for the first time, select Forgot Password. This will allow you to create a new password. Once you've created one, return to the login page and enter your new password to log in. After logging in, you've entered the new Alliance Retailer site. This site serves as your central hub for everything you might need from ARG. From here, you'll have access to the Documents portal, Alliance Communications, Price Pro portal, iPro Edge, the Order Grid, Ad Planner Edit, Alliance Mobile, ticketing and support, and more. The site will continue evolving to better meet retailer needs. Today, we'll focus on the Documents portal. This is your one-stop shop for all the documents and reports you may need. When you enter, the Documents portal opens in Explorer view. Here, retailer reports are neatly organized into folders, making it simple to navigate between categories and find what you're looking for. The folders you'll see include Ad Planning, Alliance Communications, Alliance Marketing Files, Category Management, DSD, Financials, Hosting Files and Deals, Miscellaneous, Ordering, Promotions, TPR Files. Each of these folders may contain subfolders with more specific document types. For example, inside Category Management, you'll find folders for New Items, Core Void, PMEP, and Planograms. In Ordering, you'll see TPR Ordering, Advord Ordering, and Order History. Please note, Order History only shows orders if they have been placed through the Order Grid. The DSD folder will contain documents related specifically to DSD processes. In Financials, reports will vary based on your user role. If you are logged in as a store user, you will only see store-level recaps and reports. If you are an owner group user, you'll see reporting that covers all stores within your group. Reports available here include period recaps, year-to-date recaps beginning in period 2, end-of-year recaps once the year closes, weekly retailer credit reports following the same user roles as above, and annual scorecards, which are available only at the owner group level. Period, year-to-date, and end-of-year recaps all include 2 detail tabs, one for credits and allowances and one for fees and subscriptions, along with a summary tab. Weekly credit reports have one detail tab and one summary tab. Unlike the previous ARG website, reporting here does not require queries. Now, all reports can be downloaded directly and sliced and diced however works best for you. In the Ad Planning folder, you'll find the Ad Planner, which allows you to download files as CSV or PDF by ad group. You'll also find Alliance Digital Coupons, Talk of the Town, and Alliance Link. The TPR Files folder contains TPR Weekly Files, Active TPR Pivot Reports, and Active Future TPR Pivot Reports. Within Promotions, you'll see Group and Hot Buys, Truckload Deals, Compete Files, AWG and VMC Show Files, and Candy Ordering Documents. Alliance Marketing Files contains period-free content as well as marketing one-pagers. The Hosting and Deal Files folder includes weekly hosting files, full active deal files, and full active and future deal files. Finally, Alliance Communications will house all communications from the Alliance team. When you're in Explorer view, folders are arranged to make navigation simple. You may see multiple subfolders and files within each category. Just continue clicking into the folders until you reach the specific documents you're looking for. You can choose between two viewing styles, Gallery View and List View. Both show the file type, the upload date, and the file name. Here, I will show you a few different navigations within folders to see how the different views vary. You'll also see options for filtering. Filters help narrow down what you're seeing without clicking through folders. You can filter for current files, which are the most recent 3 months, or archived files, which cover the past 21 months. Altogether, you have access to 2 full years of documents. The search bar works best when you're already at the lowest level of a folder, where a list of files is displayed. You can search by dates, file types, or keywords to quickly find what you need. Here, I will show you a few different examples of searching by dates, keywords, file types, and more. There's also a parties filter, which lets you narrow access even further. For example, you can filter to a specific ad group and see only the files related to that group. Or, you can enter a store number to view documents tied to that particular store. Next, let's review the order grid. To access it, select the hamburger menu in the top left corner, and then choose Order Grid from the menu. When you enter, you'll see your access by ad group and store. Orders are displayed as either open all items or without shippers or closed. Open orders can still be worked on. Closed orders have already been submitted and can no longer be edited. You can also filter orders by meat or grocery orders. Important dates are listed as last day to orders shippers, and the last day to place the order before it closes. When you click into an open order, you'll see the full ad laid out, organized by the items available to order. You can filter items by page, department, item ID, shippers, and pallets, or by items where you've already entered an order. This last filter only appears if you've begun working on an order, or, for Edge customers, if suggested orders have already been provided. Edge customers will see suggested quantities for certain items, which can help guide ordering. In the order grid, you can easily add or reduce quantities, review pallet or shipper components, review savings, clear your cart, and more. Once an order is complete, you'll need to submit it. Change the status from draft to submitted. This formally submits the order and sends it to AWG. Please note, once submitted, an order cannot be edited or resubmitted later, even if the submission date is still days away. If you leave an order in draft status and never submit it, the order will not go to AWG and will not be fulfilled. If you'd like to export an order, click the 3-dot option at the top left of the screen and select Export. Now that you know how to log in, navigate folders, filter and search, and use both the Documents portal and the Order Grid, we encourage you to take some time to explore. Download reports, browse the folders, and get comfortable with the system. If you have any questions, please reach out to your group manager for assistance. That concludes today's Alliance Retailer site training.